Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is a snack item. It's a Malabar snack. The name of the recipe is ERACHI Pathiri or a Patti Pathiri, which is a chicken filling stuffed roti which is fried. Let's begin. For making it, you'll need sliced onions, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves and coriander leaves, shredded chicken. In a pan, pour some oil, around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, you need to put in the sliced onions and salt. Saute it till translucent. Put in green chilies, curry leaves. Saute it. Add the ginger garlic paste. Saute it till the raw smell goes. And now you need to add the shredded chicken. For making shredded chicken, you need to add red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, and cook it for 20 minutes, and you need to shred it. Once it's mixed well, you'll need to add the coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves, garam masala powder. Mix well, and your chicken stuffing is ready. Now you'll need to make some hard-boiled eggs. Here I have taken about 3 eggs. Make a dough out of maida and salt. Make small balls and flatten it and make small puris. You'll need 2 puris for 1 roti. And on 1 roti, you'll need to put the chicken stuffing at the center. And you'll need to place 1 half boiled egg, and now you have to put the second roti over it and cover it, and you need to seal the sides. Now you have to cut the sides and make it into a square roti. You need to make sure that all the sides are properly sealed. You need to seal it properly so that oil doesn't get in while frying. Pour some oil in a kadai or a pan, and once the oil is hot, fry them till golden brown. Turn it and cook on both sides till golden brown. Once it's golden brown, take it out and put it on a tissue. It will absorb the excess oil and you can enjoy it hot. Do try out my recipes and post your feedbacks in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. And do come back for more amazing recipes. Thank you.